Okay, we have our little cargo trailer unhooked. Steve's gonna back up. And let's see if we get some decent light here on our screen. Okay, let's see where we're at now. Okay, here we go. Up, up, up onto our levelers. Perfect, go forward about a half an inch. There we go, let's see what we've got. We've got 0, 0, 0, and 0. Oh, now it suddenly went off by half an inch on your lower back. Close enough. Okay, good. Okay, let's do the slides. Good job, Nick. You rode the slide. Good puppy. And there we are with our LevelMatePRO perfectly level. And now that we're done leveling, we can turn it off at the box to save the battery. There's a little switch underneath. There we go. I think this is going to work out really nice.